Noun. Kinds of nouns. There are two main kinds of nouns, common and proper. A common noun is a general name that is given to all things, places, animals, or persons of one kind. For example, book, sea, mountains. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special name given to a particular thing, place, animal, or person. For example, Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam, Mount Everest. Compound nouns or compounds. Some common and proper nouns are made up of more than one word. They are known as compound nouns, or simply compounds, because one meaning of the word compound is a mixture of more than one thing. News plus paper equals newspaper. Collective nouns. A common or proper noun, that is the name of a collection or group of similar things or persons, is known as a collective noun. For example, library, team, flock. Sometimes, the persons or things making up the collection or group are mentioned. That range of mountains is known as the Himalayas. The bunch of keys has been lost. Concrete and abstract nouns. A common noun that is the name of a thing that we can both see and touch is known as a concrete noun. For example, stone, apple, man. Abstract nouns. A common noun that is the name of a thing that we cannot see and touch, but can only think of, hear, or feel is an abstract noun. For example, anger, sweetness, music.